Right now, I'm present in Matli area of Badin district in Pakistan's southern Sindh province. Over here, a tent city has been established using China's donated tents for the flood-affected IDPs of the area. Let's take a look how useful have these tents been to accommodate the victims.
We are getting everything in this camp. There is no problem of food and drinking water. We are very happy and satisfied with the administration's arrangement. These tents are best in quality with no water leakage and can avoid mosquitoes and other flying insects. We are thankful to the people for this great help in this difficult time. We are living with comfort in this temporary arrangement.
As far as the quality of these tents is concerned, is quite satisfactory. They are heat resistant to high extent, and the mosquito nets have been installed in the windows, so they don't require particularly a separate mosquito net to protect themselves from the mosquitoes. These tents are quite comfortable, quite ventilated, and quite heat resistant.
What do you mean by ventilated?
Quite ventilated, that air cross ventilation is there. The design of the windows and location of the windows is such that cross ventilation is very comfortably possible. Actually, these tarpaulin sheets have been donated by the government of China, and since you can see the soil here is very humid due to unprecedented rainfall, so in order to save them from humidity, waterproof sheets have been provided to them.